Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your primary domain in Godaddy. Let's get started. First, go to Godaddy and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on your profile icon from the top right corner and click on the option My Products from the drop-down menu. In this new tab, scroll down and look for the section Web Hosting and click on it to open it. Next, click on the Manage button at the far right. In this new tab, look for the Settings tab at the right side of your screen and look for the Primary Domain section. Click on the highlighted word Change at the far right. This pop-up will appear where you will click on the option Use a different domain. In this next pop-up, type in this field your new domain name, then click on Continue down here to save your changes. And that is how you can change your primary domain in Godaddy. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.